seed to plant. In the bright, sunny garden, Grandma Hazel calls to Oliver. She holds a tiny, brown, and dry treasure in the palm of her hand. It is a sunflower seed, waiting patiently to start its big journey. Oliver finds a sturdy clay pot. Using a small shovel, he fills it with dark, soft soil. He pats the earth down gently to make a cozy and comfortable bed for the little seed. Grandma Hazel shows Oliver how to poke a small hole in the dirt with his finger. "Not too deep, just right," she whispers. Oliver carefully drops the seed into the hole and covers it with a light blanket of soil. The seed is thirsty now. Oliver picks up his small blue watering can and creates a gentle rain over the pot. The soil drinks the water quickly and becomes dark and cool. Every morning, Oliver checks on his pot. He places it on the windowsill where the sun shines bright. The warm sunlight hits the soil and begins to wake the tiny seed up from its sleep. One morning, Oliver and Grandma Hazel discover a wonderful surprise. A tiny green point is peeking out of the dirt. It looks like a little green hook reaching up toward the sky. The little sprout grows taller and straighter every day. Soon, two small, round leaves unfold. They look like two tiny hands waving hello to the world. Oliver touches them very softly with the tip of his finger. The plant is growing very fast now. Grandma Hazel brings a ruler to measure how tall it has become. "Look how brave and strong it is," she says. Oliver is amazed to see the plant getting bigger every single day. New leaves appear, and they are larger and fuzzy to the touch. The stem becomes thick and sturdy. Outside, a colorful butterfly dances around the pot to cheer the young plant on. At the very top of the tall stem, Grandma Hazel notices a tight green ball surrounded by leaves. It is a flower bud. It holds a beautiful secret that is waiting for the perfect moment to open. On a beautiful, warm morning, the bud finally opens. Petal by petal, a giant yellow flower appears. It is a magnificent sunflower. Oliver and Grandma Hazel look up at the golden sun in their very own garden. As the summer ends, the sunflower bows its heavy head. Inside its brown heart, many new seeds have grown. Oliver carefully collects them to save in a bag, ready to plant again next spring.